Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to cut out part of an image in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and choose the picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Now I am select the image and click insert. Now I am want to cut out part of image. Select the image and go to the picture format menu. Select the crop option and crop part of an image. Now I am crop the part of image and click outside of image. Now we can see we cut out the image very easily. You can cut out again. Select the crop option and cut out the image again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.